How to create a website for health and wellness coaching. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In this new tutorial, we will be using Squarespace, which is a well-known platform for creating websites or online stores. So just follow this tutorial and I will show you how you can do that. So the first thing is to click on get started, and if you're not signed in, you just sign and we'll answer some questions and then you will be good to go. So here we can choose any template to adjust. As you can see, just wait a little bit for the templates to get uploaded, and always you can always build a template from scratch if you want, but if you want to save some time, you choose from those templates that already exist in the platform. So here we have the blank template that you use if you want to create your own template from scratch. If not, you just scroll down and you check the templates that already exist in the platform, and you see if you can find a template that matches your niche or a template that is close to your niche and that will make your job easier. So let's see if we can find a fitness template in the platform, and if not, we can just choose one that is going to simplify the job for us. So let's go with a membership template, or let's see if we can choose a fitness one. So this is fitness, so let's choose fitness and see what's going to pop up. So here are some fitness templates. So this is one of them, and this also, these ones also. So this is for personal training. So let's choose this one. It's pretty good one. You can always preview the template from here. You click on preview and you can see your template, or you can click on demo site and you can see the template in full. You just wait a little bit for the template to be uploaded. So this is the template, as you can see. This is our template. So just click on start with this design and you wait a little bit for setting things up. Then you will proceed to give your site a title. So make sure to choose a good title, and you can always change the title whenever you want. So it's just a step to get started. So I'm going to give it a simple title. So I'm going with get fit and click on continue, and then we will proceed to edit pages and design our template, create our pages, and then we click on get started. So this is the template. We can always adjust it to our desire or our need. So this is the pages of the template. You can click on edit right here to edit the template, but before that, let's check the website first. So in the website, you can create pages. As you can see, you can create pages or add pages or change them or change the pages or delete. You can do all things you want. So this is all the pages that we have in the website. As you can see here, we have a lot of pages: free trial, booking, pricing, footer links, and here we have the system pages and the website stores where you can add your CSS code or your code injection, mobile information, and so on. So let's go back, and by clicking edit, you can drag and drop from the template itself. can change the text, change the fonts, the colors, the pictures. You can change everything. So we just wait for it a little bit to be fully uploaded. So here, as you can see, you can edit the site's header. You can edit these sections, add sections or add blocks from here, or remove the section if you want to remove the section, or if you want to change the place of the section in this arrow here that says move down. Edit the section. If you want to edit the typing right here, change the text. So you can just adjust just the way you want if you want to change these buttons. So I think, guys, you get the idea. You can just drag and drop everything in here and change it. So it's a pretty easy site to work with. That's why I chose Squarespace. It's very easy and you can save a lot of time with their pre-made templates. And in this section we have the commerce section where you can choose where you will advertise your website. As you can see, if you want to get started, you tell them where you're selling today, if you're selling in person or Facebook or TikTok or your own website, or if you're not selling at all, you can always skip this thing. You can answer these questions, but let's close that for now. And here we have the orders, inventory, customers, discount. We have a lot of things. And here, if you want to add products and if you want to choose the way you will get paid, to set your payment processors, Stripe, PayPal, and Square, which is for the US only. It's not for all the countries, it's just for US. So let's go back. So here you can also sell by memberships, which is what we're going to do with a fitness store. You can add memberships from here. You could just click on add membership and you can add your membership in your store. You can set the member area, but let's close that for now. If you want to see how it works, you can just click on preview, but no thanks. So that's it, guys. I just want to give you an idea. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.